Anxiety and depression. Once again, anxiety and depression.
It is imperative that anxiety and depression is one of the hot water topics that we should address, especially to the youth. And I am so glad that part of our panel of judges are part of the minority. And this is the right time for me to tell that anxiety and depression is not a joke. It is not a disorder for us to tell that if you are anxious or if you are depressed, you are disordered. No, because you should always remember that it is okay not to be okay. Because if we people should validate our emotions, it shows our vulnerability as a person. And if we allow ourselves to be vulnerable enough, we can have this emotional engagement that we could also feel within ourselves. And so I am also telling everyone that this kind of issue, calling all our local government units, especially our senators who are making laws in this kind of issues, that we should uplift a free consultation, free psychological settings within barangays, within municipal society, because this kind of issue should be addressed within the youth. Let us end the suicidal rate here in our country. Let us embrace our vulnerability as a person, because human as we are, our emotions are valid. We are okay to be sad, we are okay to be happy, but we should also learn to move forward with our emotions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Binibining Yuriel Ansecuche.